Go to feedsome.ai, log in or sign up. When you log in, you see your stats of all your previous data. Okay, let's create a list from AI. Click on lists, then click generate from AI. Choose your AI agent. I'll choose OpenAI. I'm going to add the list name. Just going to copy it from my notepad. I'm going to copy the instructions field. Just read you very quickly. Create a list of 5 most popular global cities with the following 4 columns: city, country, key attraction, and then a photo link. And for the description, category, and rating, you can leave it. And then you click generate. After a few seconds, this is the list that it created. You have the city, country, key attraction, and photo link. Click save. So now you have the list here. Okay, let's create a link for this list. Click on view, then go to the bottom and click on create link. Choose the format. I'll choose XML this time. And then you can select all the data or a few rows. And then you can select all the columns or selected columns. I'll select all and click generate link. You'll see a snapshot here. Then put a name for the link, description, category, and then you either save or close. Save. Now we actually have a link here. If you want to see it, click on view, click open link, and you'll see it here. This is where you copy it to your digital signage software. Let's add the feed from this link to a digital signage screen using interface. Go to the link, click on the view, then copy the link URL. Now I am with interface. Start a new project, give it a name. Let's say popular cities. Put it in whatever folder you want and the resolution that you want. Click OK. First thing you need to do is you can add the interface asset. Choose API Explorer, click Add. The API Explorer will launch. Now you copy the link that you pasted from feedsome. You send a request. After a few seconds, you will see the result here. After you paste the link and select the things that we don't want to show, the name and the message. Then go to the next step. Give this asset a name. I'll just call it cities. And the category maybe feedsome. And click create. So now you will see it here.